Who taught the sun where to stand in the morning? And who told the ocean you could only come this far? And who showed the moon where to hide till evening? Whose words alone can catch a falling star? For I know my Redeemer lives. Yes, I know my Redeemer lives. All of creation testifies. Let this life within me cry. I know my Redeemer